I'm done. Done. Screw you, TikTok. You won't even tell me what it is. Screw you, TikTok.
TikTok, the app that almost distracted all social media. Well, TikTok is a great app, I must say, and it has really created many opportunities, but it has come with many controversies. Many creators out there have complaints about TikTok, either TikTok blocking their content or limiting their visibility. Well, recently I uploaded a video about me appreciating a certain restaurant and TikTok muted that video. I do not know why, because it did have background music, but let's listen to what other creators have to say about this.
Right, enough is enough. If TikTok is going to act like this, then fine. I have tried to be nice about this, and other creators have tried to be nice about this. We have been telling you over and over that this fucking app is racist. We've been telling you over and over that we are unfairly targeted for community violations, for bullshit, when there's pedophiles and racists sitting on this fucking app right now and nobody's saying anything. But if you talk about police violence or show a video where the police are being violent, your shit gets banned. If you talk or clap back at racists, and your shit gets banned for bullying. So I've had enough. I'm going home today, and I'm gonna use my other platform, which is YouTube, and I'm gonna make a fucking video. And I'm getting ready to call fucking TikTok's ass out for the whole fucking world to see. Boost this as much as you fucking want, because I'm telling you, by tomorrow, there'll be a posting of a video. And I'm telling you exactly what the name of the video is. It's called TikTok is Racist. Get fucking ready for it.
Guys, TikTok is racist as hell. I just got community guidelines for posting a video of somebody being racist toward me. Like, this girl literally saw my husband, who she thought was Hispanic, and me, and got upset and started acting very much racist toward me. And I posted it, and now I'm guidelined for harassment for the video. Racism at its finest.
Look, this is why we need to pass a bill for all social media apps, all police, anybody that discriminates, segregates you while you at their place of business or on their platform. I got kicked off for posting a fight. It says down here that you can't post violence or violent objects and all that shit, right? So why is it when... So all you gotta do is look up cops, military, or white tea people, and they'll show you the violent objects they got. Look, that's not a gun, that's an AR-15 or a rifle or assault rifle. And they shooting it on the platform. They be shooting it on the platform. Got millions and millions of views, but TikTok says that doesn't go against my guideline. But you, my brother, your black ass, if you put it on my motherfucking platform, I'm gonna ban your ass. I'm gonna suspend you, kick you, I'm gonna get your black ass. Yes, I know my app is built up off you, just like the world, but we don't like you niggers, you coons. This is what they do. We need to pass a bill to where it's a half a meal if you discriminate against somebody, but you gotta show the proof. Anywhere, from the police officers to the judges, to the places of business, anywhere in the United States, if you on the social media app or in their place of business and you are discriminated, racial profiled, or etc., and you can prove it, these companies gotta pay you money. App is designed to go after black people, and if you got a platform, they're going to kick you off. See, I only can be in view mode in my other profile, so I have to make another profile just to say what I want, because they kicked me off for 7 days, and pretty soon you know they're going to take that page, and that page is doing pretty good, but it only can do good if they say it can do good. It don't work like that, bitch ass, cocksucking, faggot ass motherfuckers. I'm going to put whatever the fuck I want to put on my platform and say whatever the fuck I want to say on my platform, you racist piece of shit. This is how my report, when I report somebody's video, look like. No violation, no violation. Under review. That's under review from a month ago. That's under review from 3/29. Now, if you click on these people's profile, we got modern Republicans. They saying they can say the word nigger, call each other niggers because they cool. This lady right here, she's degrading all men in every which way fashion. I'm talking about literally calling them out, but that's not a hate speech or bullying or harassment because they white. I'm calling it what it is. I'm leaving everybody's link to the videos. If you go to the second one where it says no violation, this bitch got her whole goddamn titty out. She got her whole titty out and the baby sucking the titty. Got 26 million views. The other dude is shooting a gun on social media, but motherfuckers don't give a fuck. But let my black ass do it and they try to ban me. Fuck you, TikTok. Suck my dick.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey, I want to say this while I got the opportunity to. If TikTok take me down, the next page is going to be Kavare Valentine TV. Because I'm starting to understand and see what other content creators are talking about as far as the bias, and everything else as far as when it comes to TikTok. Because I'm having videos taken down for harassment and bullying and explicit content and sexual activity, and I'm not doing anything but talking on my page. But what I've noticed, if you have an organic following, they will start to, target your page, because if they can't control the content that's being created, they don't want it on there. If you're not someone, distracting people, which I am a little bit because it is comedy and I'm just talking about relationships and stuff. But I think it has to do with truth and trying to find understanding and build understanding and knowledge and wisdom. Those things they don't want. Us trying to straighten ourselves out and get ourselves together as a people. Because I see white people do blackface. I see them say nigger, all types of shit on TikTok, and they do not receive any community guideline violations. They do not have their pages interrupted in no way, shapes, or form. I see women, produce explicit content, sexual content every day. Every day you can see a woman damn near naked or naked on TikTok, and they still have their pages. And they'll send you messages like, I went with my lady to the gym, so I left my other phone home, and I come back, I got 99 plus notifications. So as you can see, I'm still receiving them. I go in it, that's all I got is follows, right? I don't see anything else. I messaged TikTok 4 days ago about taking my content down just for talking. And they're saying I'm bullying, this is sexual, explicit content, but I'm not doing none of that, right? This was days ago. They do not respond. Look, you see all these days, you see no responses. The minute that I pressed the inbox button to see how many notifications I got was the second they sent the appeal update saying that this content will not be restored. And it's just like, are you serious? All the nude, ass shaking, twerking, videos that I see with explicit content when it comes to, the abuse of black people and all types of stuff, they don't take that shit down. And I noticed it's because they want us to continue.
I'm done. Done. Screw you, TikTok. Won't even tell me what it is.
Y'all, I am so fed up with TikTok. I've been suspended from the Creator Fund until March 2022 for a community guidelines violation. I got suspended back in February for 6 months, even though they appealed all my videos and restored all my videos. And now I'm suspended again. This is insane. Till March 14th, 2022. And I'm going to submit an appeal, but this is such bull crap. Like, seriously. I am so fed up with TikTok and their bullcrap guidelines. There are literally people doing all kinds of crazy illegal things on here. And yet I'm making wholesome family content and I'm always in trouble on here. And there's just nothing I can do about it. Like, this is just disgusting. Y'all, I am so fed up with TikTok. I've been suspended from the Creator Fund until March 2022 for a community guidelines violation. I got suspended back in February for 6 months, even though they appealed all my videos and restored all my videos. And now I'm suspended again. This is insane. Till March 14th, 2022. And I'm going to submit an appeal, but this is such bull crap. Like, seriously. I am so fed up with TikTok and their bullcrap guidelines. There are literally people doing all kinds of crazy illegal things on here. And yet I'm making wholesome family content and I'm always in trouble on here. And there's just nothing I can do about it. Like, this is just disgusting. If you're seeing this, please do not scroll. I literally just got shadow banned in the middle of my content that just went viral. Like, they just stopped all activity because I just posted content supporting another content creator on here who was talking about white privilege. And because I duetted her, all my activity like went to 0. It went from like having 99 plus every 5 minutes to 0 activity. Good job, TikTok. Racist much?
This is a question for TikTok. Why is it that you let all these white supremacists run around your app using slurs, spreading hate speech, making entire videos threatening the lives of BIPOC people, but yet all of the BIPOC creators on here, anyone who's queer, anybody who's different, immediately get community guidelines violations left and right? It's in your community guidelines that there is to be no slurs, no hate speech, all of that, but you never shut them down.
Proof that TikTok is racist. This guy went live and rated people's usernames.
Megan, 7 out of 10. Julie, 8 out of 10. Dang, stuff's coming out of my beanie.
And when I asked TikTok, they said there was no violation. Good. But watch how they'll suspend my live when I do it, and say I'm violating community guidelines. For this I will be using the exact same background he used. And I will also be wearing the exact same outfit he wore. But what I will not be doing is playing any music. And since TikTok doesn't allow you to have a recording of your live when it gets suspended, I will be recording the whole thing with my camera off screen. And then I will stitch this video with the recording and show you proof of this discrimination. The comments on this video are gonna be proof too.
So apparently my sound was removed for violating community guidelines on TikTok. This sound.
Oh my God! I'm frolicking! Why y'all ain't tell me we was frolicking? What?
Oh, we frolicking? That's what we doing? We frolicking? Let me get my frolic on. Oh.
Am I the only one that's getting banned? And by the way, this is my last. If I get banned again, I am pretty much bucked up. You see this video, right? This video, I made a reaction out of it, and it started to catch on fire. I was actually gaining mad views, and it got over 60 shares. But then all of a sudden, right, TikTok was like, nope. See for details. This is a violation. And I'm like, a violation? Are you serious? Is this a real violation? For what? I mean, all I did was reacted. So I decided to go to the main original sound. And why is it that these guys can put up videos and not get banned, but when I react, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that this thing has been happening. Oh, Elon Musk, where are you at? I'm gonna need your help, my guy. I'm gonna really need your help, Elon, seriously. I mean, TikTok, what are you doing? By the way, if I get banned, guys, that's me. That's my new TikTok. Go ahead. Do what you gotta do. Yasin, AFG, Prodigy. You already know Yasin. Seriously, oh my God, I hate this. I can't believe I'm doing this.
I know many of you who have watched this video use TikTok or know someone who uses TikTok. Well, I wait to see your honest opinion in the comment section below of what you think about TikTok. Is it biased Just tell me what you think in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Otherwise, see you soon.